Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version, model, and whether the bootloader can be unlocked. This matters because many installs require system access. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging. Allow OEM unlock if your device supports it. Make a full backup to your PC or cloud so you can restore if something goes wrong. Install ADB and Fastboot on your computer now. These tools let you push emoji files and flash system components later in the guide. You will obtain a compatible iOS emoji package, either a Magisk module or the iOS font file. Choose a trusted source and verify compatibility with your Android version. Integrity checks reduce risk. If using Magisk, transfer the module and install through the Magisk Manager. If manual, use ADB to push the font to /system/fonts or /vendor/fonts and replace the emoji font file name. Make sure you set permissions and SE Linux context correctly, because Android enforces them and improper You finish by clearing app caches for keyboard and messaging, then test emoji in multiple apps to ensure consistent rendering. If some characters are still missing, make sure the font file name matches the system expectation and that fallback fonts didn't override it. If problems persist, check permissions and SE Linux labels again, reapply them, or reflash the Magisk module. In case of a boot loop, boot to recovery and restore your backup. This single troubleshooting tip often saves the device and gets you back to a clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.